Yeah. Our next topic is installing themes. See, WordPress themes are what makes the difference in your website design, and this stage is what you need to really get right when you are designing websites, because it makes all the difference. You need to get the right theme for whatever you are building, and then you work with the team, you edit, and then make it suitable for what purpose you are designing the website for. Um, there are usually free themes and there are premium themes. Um, so we'll be looking at how to install the theme. I'll be giving you one website where you can get premium themes for free, though you need to be very careful when you are using such websites. You need to be careful because sometimes they will have added some malware or virus into the file, the WordPress theme that you are downloading, which they will use to hack into the website later on. But it's not all of them that actually does that, but there are many online, so you have to be careful where you download your premium themes free. I will give you one website. Name is themelock.com, so you can go there. You can just check the website out. You need to download themes, but you can get a lot of free themes also by just searching for free WordPress themes. Free WordPress themes. You get a lot of them. Very different sites where you can download the themes. So you see a lot of free themes online. So what I want to say is okay, let's just go straight. We'll be installing a theme I've downloaded here. The name is Uni Education or something. Let me check. Okay, this is the thing we'll be using as example. So how do you install it? You check your appearance. Make sure you are inside your backend. This is your appearance. You see themes. Click on the theme, and then you click on add new. These are the pre-installed themes by WordPress when you installed it. This is 2019. I think WordPress usually they install new themes by the new year. So by 2020 now you should see another new default theme called 2020. This was 2017. There was another 2018. This was 2016. So probably 2020 they might have another one, but they are just pre-installed themes. So you want to add a new theme now. You click on the add new, and you see upload theme at the top here. See this featured. These are also WordPress themes that you can also install and activate on your website. They are loading up because my network is on. If your network is not on, this will not be loading. So you can see different themes trying to load. They are still loading, so you can wait for it. You can search for themes even from here. Or you go online, search for free themes, download it. So they also come in zip file, but you don't need to unzip most of them, or some of them you need to also unzip before you can install it. So this different one. So if you want to install this, just click on install, any one of them. You can see details and also preview it before you install them. So it depends on what you want. But what we are installing, we have already downloaded the theme we want to install. So I will click on the upload theme. So it will ask you to choose a file that you want to install. If you notice here, it said if you have a theme in .zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. So we have a theme that is in .zip. So I'll go and look for it and select it. It's under WordPress file themes and Uni Education. So I'll click on install. Yeah, it has installed. So I will just activate it immediately by clicking on activate. Good. So you see this theme has installed. You see it as the default, is the active theme here. These the other ones here, but they are not active. You can see this one is the active theme. The first one is the active theme. Now, in this chapter, what we'll be looking at, we've installed the theme now. We are also looking at how to install the demo, what we call the demo for the theme. What do you mean by the demo, theme demo? You see this theme as it is, you've activated it. Let's check the front page of our website here. Let's refresh it. See how the website looks like. But when you check, I wish we can check the Uni Education theme online, just so that you can understand very well what we are talking about. Uni Education, I hope it will be online. Let's just check Uni Education WordPress theme. I'm searching for something else. WordPress theme demo. So we want to see the demo. The reason why I'm showing you this is when you search for themes online, you will probably there will be a place where you can see how the website looks, how the website should look when you install it. So like this theme now, you can see the live preview. So let's see the live preview. So you see how the theme is supposed to look like, and you see that it's very different from what is showing now that we've activated the theme. That's why we need to install demo, what we call the demo, demo of any theme that you have. This is live preview, still loading up. Good. See, this is how the theme is supposed to be. This is how the theme is supposed to be like. Can you see it now? You can see there's a vast difference from this and what we have now. This is how the theme is supposed to look like. Are you getting it? So what we want to do now is install this demo so that our own website too looks like this. So when my website looks like this, have I not finished work already? All I need to do is start changing things, change the logo, change whatever is here, change the slide if I need to change my menus, configure my call, my email, change whatever I don't want, I will remove it. If I need to add, I add, and you have finished your website. So the theme is always the most important thing when you are installing your WordPress. So now, how do we install this demo? like 3 ways or 2 ways majorly that you can use for installing, demo. There are some themes that automatically come with, how to install their demo. Like this theme now, the moment we installed it, it brought this notification that this theme recommends the following plugin, which is the one-click demo import. So this theme is saying we have another thing we call plugin that we can install. And one of the ways we can install demo is by installing this one-click demo import. Are you getting me now? So the best way you know how to install a theme's demo is by looking out for what we call the documentation of the theme. So for this uni education theme now, if you are finding it difficult to install the demo, you can just try and search for the documentation. Inside the documentation, they will show you how you are supposed to install the demo, the documentation. So it might be a PDF or something that open online, but you can just search for it and where is it? Let's see. You have to look for the documentation. If the WordPress, the theme itself is not, you can't really get how to install the demo, but most times it's either you install the one-click demo or you see a theme options that will be showing just immediately after you install the theme. And then when under the theme option, you see how that you can install the demo from there. So for this one, we just so we want to go ahead. We say you should begin installing plugins. So we should install this plugin so that we can use it to install our demo. We can use it to import the demo. You click on install and apply. Now sometimes you face situation like this. It's saying plugin installation failed. Said why? It said an error occurred while installing because it could not create directory in this. So the reason why it's asking this is because we've not installed any plugin. If you see under these plugins, all your plugins will be shown here when you click on it, but that means there is no folder for plugins yet. That's why it's not installing. So we'll go and create a folder for plugin inside our directory here. You open it, go to your WP content. So under this WP content, there should be a folder for plugins. So just create a new folder and rename it as plugins. Because you see that this is what it was asking here, WP-plugins. There is no folder named plugins. So let's go back and try again now. It's installing now. Okay, all installations have been completed. Sometimes this error stuff shows, but it doesn't matter. because we are working on the local host. All installation has been completed, so return to required plugins installer. So now we've installed the one-click demo import. It should be, let's go to this. So that we need to go and check the one. Okay, activate it. You need to activate it. Okay, we've activated the plugin. So now we want to install or import rather the demo. So you look for where the one-click demo, this thing is under appearance, import demo data. So it says just import demo data. So I click on it. So it's showing importing. I'll pause the video for it to finish importing and then we'll continue. Now the installation has finished, but you need to be aware that you have to be on the internet to install demo, and sometimes it takes a lot of time, and you have to have a good network too, so that you can install and import or whatever it needs to import. It usually import posts, pages, images, theme settings, and so now I left it till it's brought this notification, and you can let's now view our front end website. Let's refresh it. And can you see now? Can you see the difference? Just installing the demo data for our theme. You can see the difference. You can see the difference. You see what came up now. So for example, if I'm building a website for a school or a university, you can use this theme. So this is how we install theme and its demo. We've also shown you how to install plugins. Now let me talk a little on plugins before I finish this part. Plugins there are so many things you'll be needing plugins for, and there are a lot of plugins out there. If for whatever feature you are looking to add to your website, you will probably be needing a plugin for it. So you need to, that's just the explanation of plugin. Let me give you an example. If you want to build a website where the clients or the customers that will be coming on the website will need to even for contact us page to send email, you need a plugin for that. You need a plugin, a contact us plugin or something, contact form plugin rather. Or you need you want to chat with your clients when they visit your website. You want them to be able to chat. That's an online chat plugin. You will need to search for that. Just whatever feature you are thinking about, just go to Google and search for it. Like the online chat, just put online chat WordPress plugin. You will see the plugin. So but sometimes some are paid. You have to pay for them. Sometimes they are free. So it depends on the kind of website you are building and the feature the client is asking for. So just look out for searching for the plugin, but I think as we go on, we'll be looking at some of them probably. So that's it for this video, this stage. I will continue in the next video.